What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Airsoft video, and in this one it's a gameplay video and it's my first one, so hope you enjoy. This first game mode is a TDM, I think, so here I am running around to a shipment, which is just a whole bunch of shipping containers. Hey Ian, we can cut through here, they're not coming. My breath. Oh, he's hit. Hey Oreo, where they at?
Big tree, RV.
Alright. Trying to shoot his feet.
Heavy fire from billboard.
Oh, my bad.
Taking heavy fire from this way. There's one on the downed RV, just in front of the billboard.
Alright. I got shot right there, so I come back around, respawn, come back around, and Nick comes right around here, and I didn't see, I thought he was on our team for a second, and then I finally realized and I shoot him. I thought for a second you were on our team.
What?
I thought for a second you were on band. I see Rex sprinting to shipment, so I go around and try to cut him off. Also, sorry for the heavy breathing. It was really hot that day. I'll do it. On my way there, I also accidentally shoot this guy because I thought he was on the opposing team. Oh gosh, I just looked that kid up. I'm coming. They're gonna be coming back. I run around here and end up getting shot, but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and look for more Airsoft videos coming out in the future.